This is for y'all.
I need everybody to follow me for this.
I don't think.
Pretty bitch music.
The table shifts.
I'm like a whole brand new bitch bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin'.
Nigga come around me acting gangsta, I ain't buying it. He tried to run off, I dumped the Draco where his spine is. 762 God, I got that name because I'm fine it. Real, hey, on big shots, I get dirty with you.
Mr. God, light up the bud and hit the gas, yeah.
Spent 40K on a necklace, I'm flexing, look close and you see your reflection. She a little gangster, I like her complexion.
So we're just gonna see how many we can drink, and then we're gonna be burping, and then you just gonna see, you know.
Mine's for me.
Oh yeah, we can. I would say we can pop them now, but when we do two,
Yeah.
okay, not three. I'm gonna be drinking soda.
I know it is serious. A little bit.
I hate burps too, though. I hate burps too, though.
Nasty. My bird's so big.
I'm trying not to spit myself like you said. Woo! I don't know where it's coming from, y'all. You supposed to burp that way.
My eye twitching like, who are you?
Y'all, what? It just feels like you don't really want to come. Nasty, but it's like, no. I'm not even okay into that's why.
Jarrell is definitely bold too. I don't know if y'all tried it.
I didn't know it said bowl. I was wondering. I just showed them like, yeah, this is that. Like, dang, where is? It's like, whoop. Everybody needs a burp though, you know.
Oh, shit, you okay?
You okay? Technical difficulty. Oh,
Ew.
did you? That's because all them vegetables.
I told you I'm not about this burp like.
You good?
Yeah.
You want to stop?
No, we can keep going.
You sure?
Do it for the tube.
Okay, bet. Dedication is key.
Oh, put her.
I'm gonna stop it. Right, I knew it's gonna be. Okay.
I'm back like I never left.
Woo! This shit. I mean, this stuff right here, guys. It's crazy. It's very crazy. Woo!
My girl is a beast.
It's a whole man inside me. Like,
Whole time.
ew. Ew.
Be careful.
No, it was just really, it's like, it hurts a little bit, like.
I think that's all the burps I have in me.
It's in my throat, like. Bro. You want to get to can 3 or you want to do 2?
I'm good on 2. I ain't gonna make it.
My stomach too full.
Check it out. Try it out. Let us know what you think.
Facts. Woo! So we did 4. 2 each. And we had an extra, but like we can't hold all that. honestly.
Yeah.
Like my stomach is
I already got
this small.
I got a soda baby already.
Right. Mine is coming. I didn't eat all day, so I shouldn't. It's gonna be an extra burp to come out, I feel like.
Yeah, I feel like it's
Like
brewing.
like you can
bottle.
feel it. You can feel it down there. It's gonna come.
Yeah.
Let me keep doing this. I feel like it's gonna.
You're welcome.
Lash Lord. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and share this because y'all asked for this video. Remember that. Y'all asked for this video. So you have to share it. You have to like it. You have to support it because I did it for you.
And don't forget to leave a comment.
Leave a nice little note. You can leave something that you may love. Something that you may love.
Something that you may love.
Bye.